This is day 13 of coding every day. Gotta be honest, I'm really tired right now. So I'm probably not gonna be going or doing that much today. Really what I'm probably gonna be trying to do is starting out our the thread pool that I plan to use for the server, just so that like instead of having to create a thread like down here, instead of having to create a thread for each client. If I use a thread pool, it can be a little bit more efficient with like what's it called? Like memory and everything. So really gonna be working on trying to start this thread pool today. What I probably will do is for this thread pool, I'll probably hmm, I'll probably set up the thread pool or start setting it up. I'll probably set it up as a object is what I mean. Um, yeah, I'll probably set it up as like not an object, or I guess yeah, an object, but like this like class thing with the thread. So I'll just probably get that started right now. I'll just call it thread pool. This is the header. I'm gonna do the same thing I did here, so just the hashtag if and def thread pool hashtag define thread pool, and then it's just the end div hashtag end div. Okay, so this is gonna be that thread pool. So they're probably gonna do the same thing with like a class. Um, let's see. So trying to think real quick. So for this thread pool, hmm, for the thread pool, what I think I'll do, hmm, well, it's definitely gonna be a class. So I'll just start off class thread pool. How I for arguments, I think I'll just do like an integer, and then um, I'll call it threads. So this is like the number of threads basically. It's a header. I don't need all of that. I just need to define it's like this. I'll still space it out a bit. Um, Gotta close the class though, and then hmm, let's see. So and then for this thread pool to work, it kind of needs to be. I think I need to add like a queue. I think I need to add like a queue function so I can start queuing. So say there's 10 threads and I have 12 tasks to do. So like get a first in, first out. So like this client, so like let's say the first 10 clients, but then like I said, the 12 clients. And so I'll add like the 11th and the 12th at the end of the queue. So when the first 10 finish, um, when the first 10 finish, then it'll start the next one. So when it finishes a task and that frees up, it can use that thread for another task, if that makes sense. So I'll probably do like a queue function, right? So it's gonna probably be a void. So like void um queue. Well, if I plan to use a queue, I think uh I could probably do that, I guess. And then I'll just call it queue for now. What do I want to queue up? Let's see. Probably I'd probably want to queue up like a task, right? Or yeah. Huh. Hey, first of all, what is this? Um, let's see. Queue. For now, I'm just leave it blank. And what are some data that it would use? Um, let's see. Hmm. I'll probably actually need a queue. Like, I think there's a C++ thing for queue. I think there's a library for queues in C++. Do I need, let's see. Okay. Yeah, then I'll have to do probably a queue of something. A queue of something which let's see, that I'll call tasks or task list. It's gonna be, let's see. So I think I have to do it here. Include queue. But what do I want to queue up? Hmm. Well, okay. So for each client, I'm gonna do the same task. Each client is gonna be handle client, right? But what's different on the clients would be the file descriptor. So what if I do this? So int client file descriptor. Okay. So I'll queue up these file descriptors that will be ran through handle clients because it's going to be the same function that each of these are going to be ran through. So so basically I'm just queuing up a list of clients to run the handle client on. It's going to be the implementation, include thread pull.h. Yep. And then so thread pull queue. So I might have to move handle client. I might have to move handle client into the thread pool, right? Wait. Queue. I don't have center right now. I'll just do this. Thread pool, int threads. So this is just gonna be like analyzing thread pool with number of threads. Doing worker threads. Um, thread pool queue. This is gonna be client file descriptors. Um, this is gonna be queuing. Did I spell queuing? I don't even know. Queuing. Um, queuing a word. Not sure, but I'll just leave it. Queuing clients to run handle client on, and then just down here, I'll do the deconstructor, which just has nothing. So far, those are what I have. Basically, think, so basically, this queue will take a file descriptor and just basically add it on, right? So with the push, so I can probably do this pretty simply. Um, so it looks like the method is push. Okay, looks like I forgot what I called. Yep, task list dot push client file descriptor. I believe that might really just be it right there, to be honest. Because all I really want to do is just queue each of the file descriptors. Um, let's see. Yeah, I just want to queue each file descriptor for the queue. Uh, I think I might need to look into um, what's it called? Blinking. I think I might need to look um, into multi-threading some more, but this is probably just gonna be like a for I 0 threads, and then just like uh, so how do I make sure I lock these threads? So what I have to do is create threads, but like but lock them, not lock them, but so when I create them, have them stay running and act as like their own thing in a way. Then this would just have to be like remove threads, probably. um, so how would I even incorporate incorporate this into the server though. Um, let's see. Maybe in the server where you start, um, maybe here I can do have it taken a object input of it, or yeah, um, like I have it taken input of a thread, and then I move this handle client stuff right here, like this part, I'll move into a thread. But what I'll do is after this accept, I run the thread pull queue, and then that way, so it keeps looping. Um, it keeps looping and it just keeps running it, adding these to the queue. I think that might be the way to go about that. I'll have to read up on threads some more though. Um, yeah, I'll probably have to read up on threads some more, really try to figure out how this threading would work. But just real quick, I think here I'm gonna comment it out, but like here, so takes thread pool as input, and then just use the accepted client file descriptor. I think like like down here, so like this would be like thread pool dot q um client fd as an example, and then the thread pool runs all the kind of extra functions of that handle client basically. So like this would have to be moved to thread pool, I believe. I think so, but that'll probably be it for today. Um, I'm really gonna have to research some more on threading and then multi-threading. 'Cause I believe so this works so far, but I gotta try to figure a way to how to get threads to kind of as their own like, object and kind of have like a list of threads, not list of threads, but like um, I'm not sure really how to describe it, but basically just have like a group of threads that I can cycle through to run these tasks. Um, but that'll probably have to be something I'll work on tomorrow. It'll probably be today, and that's a little bit of a shorter video. I'm just kind of really tired, kind of just getting the thread pull a little bit started out, but that'll be it for today.